What if the hardest season of your life is actually the beginning of your greatest transformation? Think about that for a moment. Every person you admire, every successful entrepreneur, every elite athlete, every strong leader has one thing in common. They all face difficult times. Not once, not twice, again and again. Their struggles did not break them. Their struggles built them. So if you're going through a hard season right now, don't click away, because this video could completely change the way you see your life. By the end of this video, you'll understand why pain can become your greatest advantage and how you can use every setback to level up mentally, emotionally, financially, and spiritually. Let's begin. Life has a strange way of revealing who we really are. When everything is going well, it's easy to feel confident. It's easy to smile. It's easy to stay positive. But comfort never builds character. Pressure does. Imagine a diamond. Before it becomes one of the hardest and most valuable materials on Earth, it spends years buried under enormous pressure. Without that pressure, it would remain ordinary. Human beings are no different. Pressure creates strength. Hard times reveal what comfort hides. Every challenge gives you two choices. You can let it define you, or you can let it develop you. Sadly, most people choose the first option. When life gets difficult, they immediately ask, "Why is this happening to me?" But successful people ask a different question. What is this trying to teach me? That one question changes everything. Imagine two people losing their jobs on the same day. The first person becomes angry. He blames his boss. He blames the economy. He blames bad luck. Months pass, and nothing changes. The second person feels disappointed too, but instead of complaining, he starts learning new skills. He reads books. He exercises. He expands his network. A year later, he has a better career than before. Same situation, completely different outcome. The event wasn't the deciding factor. The response was. This is one of the biggest lessons from Stoic philosophy. You cannot control everything that happens, but you can always control your response. And over time, your responses become your character. Every difficult moment asks the same question. Will you become bitter, or will you become better? The choice is always yours. Here's another truth most people never realize. Pain is one of the greatest teachers you'll ever have. Success whispers. Pain gets your attention. When life hurts, you begin to notice things you ignored before. You notice your habits. You notice your weaknesses. You notice who truly cares about you. You notice where you've been wasting your energy. Pain creates clarity, and clarity creates change. Many people spend years trying to escape discomfort. They distract themselves with endless social media, television, video games, unhealthy relationships, anything that helps them avoid reality. But avoiding pain never removes it. It only delays growth. The people who truly level up don't run away from discomfort. They sit with it. They study it. They learn from it. Every challenge contains a hidden lesson. Failure teaches preparation. Rejection teaches resilience. Loneliness teaches self-reliance. Financial hardship teaches discipline. Loss teaches gratitude. Stress teaches emotional control. The lesson is always there. The question is, are you willing to see it? If you only focus on the pain, you'll miss the lesson. And when you miss the lesson, life often repeats the test. Have you ever noticed the same problems showing up in different forms? Different people, different jobs, different relationships, but somehow the same patterns. That's not a coincidence. Life keeps teaching until we finally learn. That's why awareness is so powerful. Hard times also reveal something incredibly important: your habits. Anyone can promise they'll wake up early. Anyone can say they'll start working out. Anyone can claim they'll stay calm under pressure. But difficult seasons expose the truth. Stress doesn't build character, it reveals it. That's why your hardest days are also your most valuable days. They show you exactly what needs to improve. Instead of asking, "Why am I so weak?" ask, "What skill do I need to build?" Instead of asking, "Why does this always happen to me?" ask, "How can I become stronger because of this?" The moment curiosity replaces self-pity, growth begins. Another mistake people make during difficult times is waiting for motivation. They tell themselves, "I'll start when I feel ready." But motivation comes and goes. Discipline stays. The days you don't feel like showing up are often the days that matter the most. Anyone can work hard when they feel inspired. Champions keep going, even when they don't. That's how confidence is built, not by positive thinking, but by keeping promises to yourself. Every workout, every chapter you read, every healthy decision, every difficult conversation. Every time you choose growth over excuses, you become a little stronger. Not overnight, but day by day. Real transformation is never instant. It's built through small actions, repeated consistently. Most people overestimate what they can accomplish in a week, but they underestimate what they can accomplish in a single year. Stay patient. The strongest roots always grow underground first. Just because you can't see progress today doesn't mean it isn't happening. Keep planting, keep learning, keep improving, because one day, everything you've been building in silence will become impossible to ignore. Now here's something that might surprise you. The goal is not to avoid hard times. The goal is to become the kind of person who can handle them, because challenges never disappear. As you grow, the challenges simply become bigger. The person who cannot handle criticism will never become a great leader. The person who cannot handle failure will never achieve lasting success. The person who cannot handle discomfort will always settle for an average life. Strength isn't something you're born with, it's something you earn. Every difficult day is another opportunity to build it. One of the biggest mistakes people make is believing that their past defines their future. Maybe you've failed before. Maybe you've been rejected. Maybe you've lost money. Maybe someone betrayed your trust. Maybe you've made mistakes you still regret. But your past is a chapter. It is not the entire book. Every morning gives you a chance to write a different story. The question is, will you keep reading the same painful page, or will you finally turn it? Remember this, your future doesn't care where you've been. It responds to what you do today. That's why your daily choices matter so much. A single workout won't transform your body. A single book won't transform your mind. A single productive day won't transform your life. But hundreds of small decisions, repeated consistently, absolutely will. Success is rarely one giant breakthrough. It's thousands of invisible victories. Victory over laziness, victory over fear, victory over excuses, victory over the voice that says, "Just quit." Every time you refuse to quit, you become someone your future self can be proud of. Another powerful lesson from hard times is gratitude. It sounds strange. Why would anyone feel grateful during pain? Because difficult seasons teach you what truly matters. When everything is taken away, you begin to appreciate what remains. Your health, your family, your time, your peace of mind. The little things suddenly become priceless. Gratitude doesn't remove pain, but it changes your perspective. And perspective changes your decisions. Don't spend all your energy focusing on what you've lost. Look at what you still have, then build from there. Hard times also teach patience. We live in a world that wants everything immediately. Instant success, instant money, instant happiness. But nature doesn't work that way. A seed doesn't become a tree overnight. A beginner doesn't become a master in 1 month. Real growth takes time, and that's okay. Stop comparing your journey to someone else's highlight reel. Social media shows the results. It rarely shows the years of sacrifice behind them. Focus on your own path. Keep moving, even if the progress feels slow, because slow progress is still progress. Here's another mindset that can completely change your life. Instead of asking, "What if I fail?" ask, "What if this challenge makes me stronger than I ever imagined?" That single question transforms fear into possibility. The obstacle becomes your training ground. The setback becomes your classroom. The pain becomes your teacher. This is exactly how resilient people think. They don't deny reality. They simply refuse to let reality defeat them. And here's the truth. No one is coming to rescue you. Not because people don't care, but because your life is your responsibility. That realization is not depressing, it's empowering. Because if you're responsible, you're also capable. You have the power to change your habits, your mindset, your routines, your future. One decision at a time, one day at a time, one challenge at a time. Years from now, you'll look back on this difficult season and you'll realize something incredible. The pain you wanted to escape was actually preparing you for the life you wanted to live. Without the struggle, you would never have developed the discipline. Without the rejection, you would never have found your confidence. Without the setbacks, you would never have discovered your strength. The hardest moments often become the greatest turning points. So if life feels heavy today, don't give up. Stand up, take one more step, read one more page, do one more workout, make one more healthy decision. Keep showing up, even when no one is watching, because every small action is shaping the person you're becoming. And one day, people will admire your confidence, your discipline, your success. They'll think you were naturally strong, but you'll know the truth. You were forged in hard times. And instead of letting those hard times destroy you, you use them to level up. If this message inspired you, remember this one final thought. Life doesn't become easier, you become stronger. And when you become stronger, every obstacle becomes another opportunity. So don't fear difficult seasons. Use them, grow through them, rise above them, and become the person your future self is waiting to meet. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and join us for more timeless wisdom on building a stronger mind, a calmer life, and an unshakable character. Until next time, stay disciplined, stay resilient, and keep moving forward.